Hello friends, this is Ricardo with Elite HVAC Contractors, and today we're going to talk about why a ductless mini split system is one of the most popular cooling solutions here in Eagle County. But first I got to start by showing you guys the most common type of heating system for big beautiful homes like this here in Eagle County, Colorado. We got to start by heading down to the mechanical room so I could show you the most popular heating system here in Eagle County, Colorado. We made it down to the mechanical room where we have the heating system. As you can see, it consists of a hydronic boiler and a bunch of pipes and pumps, and I'll show you how that works. This is a boiler that heats up glycol, and it sends that glycol to the zone that needs heating using pumps and zone valves. This is a great heating system. Unlike a traditional heating system that uses a furnace and ductwork throughout your home, this heating system, there's really no way of adding a cooling component to it. Therefore, using a mini split system, ductless mini split system, is the best way of getting AC to your home if you have a heating system like this. Okay, my friends, so now that we know what's the most common heating type system here in Eagle County, Colorado, and why that really doesn't work to add AC to your home, I want to introduce you to the Mitsubishi Ductless Mini Split systems, and I want to show you why this is the best way of adding AC to your home here in Eagle County, Colorado. So let's talk about why this ductless mini split system from Mitsubishi is the perfect solution for your home here in Eagle County, Colorado if you have a hydronic heating system. For starters, let's talk about the heart of the system. This is we have two outdoor units here, two condensers or compressors. And for this home, we actually did 5 comfort zones, 5 cooling zones. This compressor over here, condenser, is taking care of 2 indoor units. I was doing some testing here. It's taking care of 2 indoor units, 2 comfort zones, and this one over here is taking care of 3 comfort zones inside the home. The way this type of systems works is that we use the compressor out here to compress the refrigerant, cool it down, and then it'll send it inside your comfort zone to the indoor units via these 2 pipes right here. It sends cool refrigerant in and hot refrigerant comes back out. And also we have a communication wire. That way we can let the indoor unit know what's going on inside. And let's go inside and I can talk to you more about how the system actually works and why it's so convenient. So right now we're inside the home, and this is one of the comfort zones that we have here. This is taking care of the living room. And the cool thing about a Mitsubishi Ductless Mini Split system is that we don't require any ductwork inside your home, and that's why it makes it so convenient. We only require to send refrigerant with those 2 pipes I showed you earlier and a communication wire, and the unit itself has a built-in blower and has a cooling coil on it, so we can virtually put them anywhere inside your home. And there's different options. We can do a ceiling cassette or a wall-mounted unit, and I'll show our ceiling cassette here shortly. And here is the ceiling cassette. This is just another option. If you don't want to see a wall-mounted unit on your wall and you have the space available up in the ceiling, we can go ahead and do a ceiling cassette. This works the same way. We have 2 refrigerant pipes coming into the unit. We have a cooling coil and we have a built-in blower. And that's what makes a ductless mini split system from Mitsubishi so convenient for homes that don't have any other means of getting cooling.